vlog.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yun guys, nandito na kami sa Genting Highland. Genting Highland o Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Level 4.
Okay.
Sa amin, the toilet still.
Nagdadasal na
Ay! Ano ba yan?
Tulog na. Iwan pa gina akong sunglass.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Skyway. You know, Skyway. Baggage storage. Bus terminal. Skyway. Street food.
Uy, mura.
Wala lagyan po airport.
Oh. Para siyang airport talaga.
So while waiting, let's take some. Yeah. Give me.